Today we will look at the right to peacefully assemble. Hello, good people. My name is Janice, your host here at Dignity, Human Rights in Daily Life. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. After watching this video, I invite you to check out this playlist and please consider subscribing. Congress shall make no law prohibiting the right of the people peacefully to assemble. Although used interchangeably, freedom of assembly is often used in the context of the right to protest, while freedom of association is used in the context of labor rights. The right to peaceful assembly means that someone can gather with others without fear from the government. In addition to being a civil liberty, the right to peacefully assemble is also recognized as a human right as well as a political right. The citizens of these nations also have the right to freedom of assembly. As a human right, freedom of assembly must be prescribed by law and necessary in a democratic society in the interest of national security or public safety, public order, the protection of public health or morals, or the protection of the rights and freedoms of others. That said, freedom of assembly does have its limitations. These limitations are found in riot acts, unlawful assembly laws, and ordinances prohibiting blocking of sidewalks. Nor does it include gathering on private, undedicated property against the will of the owners. In New York City, for example, there are permit requirements for the following situations: amplified sound on public property, more than 20 people in a city park, possession or march in a public street, or possession with 50 or more bikes or vehicles. Check out the Civil Liberties Union website in your local area for detailed information. For assembly permits in New York City, or to have an event at the New York City Hall steps, go to the NYPD website and apply online. If your event involves a pedestrian plaza or a public park, then you will need an additional permit, which you can also find at the New York City Police Department website. To learn more about the First Amendment, check out the Bill of Rights playlist. Mark hashtag Team Dignity in the comments, like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime, be well and remember to live your life with dignity. Bye-bye.